divine glow of paradise exploring in the sky, falling upon the land. Sun is the most important factor for the life on our planet and so on in the study of astrology, which is quite enough to express the potency and supreme significance of the Lord Sun among this whole creation of Almighty, which could be the further expressed by his being the king of sky ruling over all other celestial bodies. Surya Sun Astronomy. Sun or Surya is actually a star at the center of our solar system, which is the source of energy for all the planets of the solar system. It is about 4.6 billion year old. Every planet, including Earth and other objects, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids, orbit around the Sun. The mass of the Sun is 99% of the total solar system mass. The mean diameter of Sun is 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 meters. It is 93.2 million miles away from Earth. Light takes approximately 8 minutes to reach to the Earth. It consists of hot gases, mostly hydrogen and helium, for life on Earth. The Surya is most necessary. Without it, life on Earth could not exist. Energy from Surya supports the all forms of life which exist on Earth. It is a driving force behind the climate and weather found on Earth. Astrology of Sun or Surya. Importance of Sun in horoscope. Sun is the one of the most dominating celestial body of sky which affects the lives of the natives of Earth on account of its revolution around the Sun, which results in different position of Earth in the solar system. On account of the movements of Earth around the Sun, it travels through all the zodiacs as spending 1 month in each for completing his cycle in 1 year, besides ruling in Leo and exalted in Aries, while debilitated in Libra. In the words of astrological beliefs, Surya is the loyal friend of planet Mercury, Mars, Jupiter and Moon, while planet Venus, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu are his enemies. As a vivid result of this, Sun bestows benefit to the sign of friends while confer hurdles for enemies. Sun or Surya plays a major role in the amendment of person's personality and inner self, which at whole makes a person. For simple explanation, if Sun is not well placed, it brings pessimism, lack of life, mental instability, fluctuations of thoughts, mental crisis, loss of self-belief, accompanied by mental and physical weakness, leading towards the failure in life. Besides this, an afflicted position of Sun could also bring aggression, arrogance, and desperation, leading towards the loss and harm. Sun expresses our inner self and ideality in astrology, as it explores our inner colors and so on, governs over our Atma or soul, and all of our doings besides governing our uniqueness of each for making everyone different. In the words of astrology, Sun impacts over our strength of Atma or soul and vision towards the world outside, which are the two significant aspects for developing a persona, which shows the sets of inner our essence. Strength or dignity of Sun in a horoscope. Exalted Mool Trikona, Swastan or Swagrihi, debilitated. Sun carries different dignities or strength in our horoscopes on account of its placement in different zodiacs as leaving different impacts upon us. Best position of Sun. Exalted Uch. In the well-established words of astrology, Sun is believed to be most powerful and effective in Aries. The exaltation or Uch dignity of Sun begins with 0 degrees of Aries and goes up to 10 degree. At 10 degree, Sun is in highest exaltation state. After 10 degree, it leaves the exalted state and come to the Mool Trikona, which is the second base state. The exalted Sun would give the native fearless nature and strong willpower. The person would be highly ambitious and possesses good leadership qualities. He would attain high laurels in life and would be highly successful because of exalted Sun or Surya in his horoscope. Second base position of Sun, Mool Trikona. The second base state or dignity of Sun is known as Mool Trikona, which starts from 11 degree to 30 degree in Aries, followed by 0 to 20 degree in Leo. Mool Trikona is the second base state of the Sun. It would make the native full of action. The person would be full of new plans and activities and would be ambitious. He would be having independent nature and would attain a high status in life. Good position of Sun, own house Swasthan. Sun comes in the enclosure of its medium dominance and effect upon the mortal lives when it comes at 21 degree in Leo, which goes till 30 degree in the same zodiac. This position of Sun is called as own house or Swasthan. When Sun is in Swasthan, it increases all the qualities of the house in which it is placed. For example, the Sun is in ninth house of luck. It will increase the support of luck to the person and make the person religious. Poor position of Sun, debilitation niche. Sun is believed to in its poor state or debilitation as reflecting negative impacts upon the lives of human in Libra starting from 0 degree to 10 degree. At 10 degrees in Libra, Sun is in the deepest debilitation as to be at its worst placement. Here it lacks all of his strength and power and so on, called as niche. The debilitated Sun or Surya causes many difficulties in the life of humans. The debilitated Sun would not give good result even if it is placed in any good house. The person would lack the power of body as well as of brain. The person would have problems in eyesight. The person with debilitated Sun would lack the willpower and would not stand against the real strong opposition. Effects of well placed and powerful Sun or Surya in the birth chart. The supreme glitter of paradise, Sun plays many roles in our lives on account of its placement in our horoscope chart, where if it carries a good position or is exalted, that reflect many colors upon the mortals. The well-placed Sun would give the strength to the soul of the person. Sun would give high level of self-esteem and courage. It will give him strength of mind. The person would be having high level of determination and resolve. It would be hard to suppress him. He would have aristocratic in approach. Contented or powerful Sun reflect the wisdom of the utmost scholar of paradise upon us as bestowing the whole knowledge along with the strong intellect and insight to win over the world. Well placed Sun provide us the strength of mind comprising the peace, patience and persistence of mind besides giving us self-belief and courage with firm thoughts along with the strength of physique. Altogether, Sun, while powerful and well placed, confers us the entire inner and outer strength to win over the hurdles of life, to acquire the success, while also bestowing us the kind and gentle attitude toward the surrounding, along with a vivid and strong vision toward the world for making us able to differentiate well. In the end, it bestows us all the positive attributes and makes us human. Effects of ill-placed and weak Sun or Surya in the birth chart. The weak and ill-placed Sun not only damage the qualities and blessings given by Sun, but this weak situation of Sun would make the Raj Yogas and Dhan Yogas made by other planets lesser effective. The divine brilliance of heaven, the weak or ill-placed Sun could also bring some negative reflections upon the mortals on account of its ill placement or because of its not being powerful in the horoscope chart. This could come out as enhanced aggression in the attitude besides making him or her harsh toward the world. The person would lose all gentleness for his own self-interest. The person would not possess much strength either inside or outside along with a weak vision towards the world, making him or her poor at differentiation and judgments. The person with weak Sun in his chart could be weak-willed and have lesser self-esteem. He would pretend to be brave but lack the true courage. The weak and ill-placed Sun would lead the person towards weak financial stature along with many failures in path on account of his or her weakness. This whole would come along with the restlessness in mind and loss of peace in life of the mortal.